everyone, it's Angela, the Sped Tech teacher, and today I'm just going to show you a very quick tutorial on how to hide columns to make your spreadsheets look a little bit neater. So right now I'm in Google Sheets, but this also transfers over to Excel. Let's say you're creating a spreadsheet or you have some data. I'm just using my caseload workbook that I have on my TPT store. But I'm using this as an example just to kind of show you what I mean. So when I open this, I really just want to look at this information that goes up until column L. Anything past that I don't really need. It's just kind of there, and it just is, it's excess. I don't really need it. So the way to do it is you highlight the column. By doing that, you just click on the letter of the column. And then I'm on a Mac, so I would hit Command, Shift, and the right button, and it highlights all the other columns to the right. If there were, I don't know, 50 columns to the right, it would just highlight all of it. So Command, Shift, and the right arrow button. And then I'm going to right click, and I'm going to put Hide Columns M through X. And this kind of just confines it to just the columns you want. So if I scroll to the right, I can't really scroll to the right. So I just have gray space right there. Same thing for on the bottom. If you keep scrolling down, 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 I have, I think this goes to 999 or something like that. Same thing applies here too, or same thing works for this. You click on the row number that you want to start hiding from. And then I'm just going to hit Command, Shift, down arrow, right click, and hide rows. So now when I scroll up and down, it is confined to just this area. Let's say I want to unhide it or I want to add more. I'm like, oh crap, I need to add more rows or columns. If you notice there's this little tiny arrow, if I click that, it unhides everything. And you can see more. Same thing down with the rows. If you see the little arrow, just click it, and then you can unhide the rest of the rows. So that's just a quick tutorial. I use this all the time to keep my spreadsheets looking a little bit neater. Just looks cleaner. And you can always hide and unhide as usual. So I believe the same holds true with a PC. And I think instead of Command, it's just Control. I want to say Control, Shift, and then right arrow or up and down arrow. So hopefully that helps you, and I hope you have a great day.